Marcio Garcia de Andrade explains how can aged companies help your business ideas. Don't you want to be your own boss? Having your own business idea is quite an interesting aspect. While starting a new business, most entrepreneurs prefer the option of starting from scratch. On the other hand, various businesses capture lucrative opportunities to come across some attractive business idea or venture. Buying an aged company turns out to be one of the most effective options for small business owners. Let us know why. An aged shelf company helps in giving a boom to your business idea with age and experience. You can consider expanding your business idea into a lucrative business venture with access to a shelf company. This video highlights how purchasing an aged company can facilitate your business idea while leveraging its potential growth. 1. Access to credit-ready shelf corporations. Financial institutions and lenders do not trust a new company or business idea. Therefore, they might not be willing to fund your new business concept. On the other hand, an organization that tends to age for a specific period of time is a promising ground for financing. Such an organization has an increased chance of qualifying for the much-needed funding compared to a newly established company or business idea. The older the business is, the more confidence lenders and financial institutions place on them for delivering access to the desired funding. The funding that you receive can help in extending your business idea as you will acquire the credit-ready shelf corporation. 2. Cost and time saving. Everyone out there seems to be in shortage of ample time and money. Shelf companies are best suited for such individuals or organizations that are only starting. When you acquire an aged company, it can help you in saving cost and time significantly. In addition, you can minimize 3. Bidding on government contracts. Most states out there require that companies be in business for at least 2 to 3 years to bid on government contracts. Therefore, when you get access to an aged shelf company having experience of some years, it allows you to bid on government contracts successfully. When your organization bids for the government, it can qualify as the approved company. This is because when your business idea satisfies the government, it can ultimately satisfy the end customers. 4. Expanding outside the state of business operations. It is regarded as a symbol of success to expand your business idea across different geographical locations. However, it is equally challenging as well. To help you with the same, renowned credit companies offer you access to a shelf company that you can expand as your business idea. 5. Building credit. A startup or a newly established organization can take ample time to rank well on the credit rating. On the other hand, an aged company can help you establish an impressive credit score in a short span of time. So, there you have it. Top 5 ways how a shelf company can help your business idea, explained by Marcio Garcia de Andrade. Take your new business idea to the next level by investing in a shelf company having ample experience to deliver the desired outcomes. Who is Marcio Garcia de Andrade? Marcio Garcia de Andrade is an expert in the shelf company industry. Marcio is a popular name you will hear when it comes to buying aged shelf companies for small and medium businesses in and all around Wyoming and other major states of the United States. Marcio Garcia de Andrade is a popular name among small and medium businesses. He has been helping small and medium businesses get funds through shelf companies to achieve their funding goals efficiently.